There are different ways to text. You can type and text, you can talk and text, but there is a way you can use your Siri to text. So in this video, we're going to see how we can turn on that feature. It's very simple, but it is very, very interesting. So just go into the settings, scroll down a little bit. You'll find Siri tab. Just go into the Siri tab, and then in the Siri tab, you will find very first set of the tab you'll find on the corner, not this one. You'll find this one, messaging with Siri. When you turn on this one, so it is automatically send text messages. And also when you're wearing the headphone or the CarPlay, let's say you're driving on the CarPlay, it will detect your voice, whatever you say, they will convert it into the text and they will send it to the particular person where you want to. And this is a headphone version. If you're wearing the headphone, you can use the same feature. But other than that, if you're holding the phone, you can just ask Siri, do that text to somebody. So it's going to send it for you. That's it for it is your personal assistant. Thank you very much for joining me. And if you like that video, thumbs up.